This question is from June 03 and paper 6, the sixth question. Let's try this. The people living in three houses are classified as children, parents, or grandparents. The numbers living in each house are shown in the table below. All the people in all three houses meet for a party. One person is choosing random calculate probability of choosing a grandparent. So the first part's answer is there are 2 plus 3, 5, 6 grandparents. Total there are 7 and 9 and 14. 14 plus 2, 16. So is that your answer? 6 over 16, that is 3 over 8? Yes, Pacho? Hmm?
Yes.
Okay, now let's
Yes, sir.
look at the second part now. It says a house is chosen at random. Okay, so I will be drawing its tree diagram. There are three houses. Okay, there are three houses. So the house number one, house number two, and the house number three. Okay. Now since there are three houses, so the probability for each one of them should be same. So this is 1 over 3. This is 1 over 3. So this is equally likely to choose any of the three houses, okay? And then if the house number 1 is chosen, then you can choose um, choose a child from there, you can choose a parent from there, you can choose the grandparent from there. So this is 4 over 7, 1 over 7, and this one is 2 over 7. Okay. If you have chosen the second house, then this would be like this. Okay, you can choose this is okay, you can choose a child, you can choose a parent, you can choose a grandparent. Okay, so there you have there is this 2 over 7 again, yes, then 2 over 7, and this one is 3 over 7. If you choose the third house, then you have two options, choosing a child or a grandparent, okay? So this one is 1 over 2, and this is 1 over 2. Now it says that the person in that house is chosen using a tree diagram, calculate the probability that the person chosen is a grandparent. So this can be the second part answer I'm writing here. It can be 1 and then grandparent plus 2 and then grandparent and then plus 3 and then grandparent. Okay, so this is 2 over like 1 over 3 times 2 over 7 plus 1 over 3 times 3 over 7 plus 1 over 3 times 1 over 2. So you can simplify this is 2 over 21 plus 1 over 7 plus 1 over 6. You can use your calculators to add this up. I will be waiting for this answer, okay? Now the third part,
0.405, sir.
can you give the answer as a fraction?
17 by 42.
Sir, 17.
By 42. Thank you, beta. 17 by 42. Okay, God bless you for your favor. Okay. Now, the third part. It says, given that the person chosen in this part 2 was a grandparent. So I'll write this grandparent here, okay? And calculate the probability that there is also a parent living in the house. So that means this can be house number 1 or this can be house number 2. So I'm just going to write here 3 dash, like it is not from the house number 3, okay? So this is going to be probability of 3 dash and G over probability of this G. Okay? So that means we have to find the probability of getting a grandparent from these two houses. So if you simplify, this is like, let's not make it more complicated. So I'll be just adding these two over here. This one plus this one, okay? And this also has to be considered. Obviously, that will go in the denominator. I'm not highlighting this at the moment. This is 17 over 42. Out of these three cases, we are going to consider these two, okay, out of the total. So I'll be writing this here, 2 over 21 plus 1 over 7. So this looks to me 21 would be the LCM here. 2 plus 3, that is 5 over 21 over 17 over 42. 21s are 21, 2s are. So is that 10 over 17? Yes, Bacho?
जी sir.
That is 10
जी
over.
sir.
Okay, so that is how you have seen that. How do you handle with the questions on conditional probability? That was a new thing for your A-level probability. Okay, so that is it from the day, bacho.